to make it more warmer in here, we have emptied out some food cans. This was a Keystone beef can, and then this was a spaghetti sauce can. And what you do is you take out the cardboard insert out of a roll of toilet paper, and then you twist it down into the cans and fill it up with alcohol and light it. Make sure that you have it on top of a pie plate or some kind of surface.
Joe,
Huh?
oh, point here.
What?
You see how it's bubbling up there?
Yeah.
That means the alcohol is still soaking into the toilet paper. That's the air is pushing out the air.
So you can put more in it when it gets done. Anyway, make sure you got this on a pie plate or some kind of safe surface.
Basically, I mean,
Or just for safety.
the alcohol on top's what burns. I mean, you can still grab a hold of this bottom can, because the bottom can's still cool. Only from here up, you know, is the hot part.
This is a good way to heat your home if you're without electricity or you don't have any backup heat.
Basically, what the toilet paper does, it acts as a wick, just like on a candle.
We have a big home here, so we can already feel a difference in the air.
And if you got rubbing alcohol, you know, any high proof, you know, drinking alcohol, such as moonshine or vodka. You know, vodka's 190 proof, so that's basically almost 100% pure alcohol. So if you got vodka would work too.
We got this pot over here. Smother it down. Looks a little dangerous. It's closer to our living room. But we have it in this cooking pot. And we got it closer to the living room so that we can feel the heat better in here.
And you want to make sure you crack the window
Oh,
too.
yeah. Yeah, crack a window, even though it's cold out.
Alcohol don't put off too much carbon dioxide, but it does put off a little, so just to be safe, you're going to crack a window a little bit.
Yeah. Which could, to a certain percentage, defeat the purpose of trying to put heat in your home.
But you don't have to crack it that big now.
We are making another source for light and heat in case our electricity goes off again, which we hope it doesn't, because we got it on, and I hope it stays that way. Anthony is braiding some twine that he got from the tractor supply store. He already made this one. We're using all vegetable shortening. You can use Crisco. I melted a tart candle in my tart warmer, and he dipped this braided twine in it all the way. These cans are 48-ounce cans. So he's melting the braided twine right now. Well, this is the way we're doing it. So if you've got another method for making yours, then go ahead and do it your way. But this is the way we're doing. We've never done this before, but this is the way we're doing this. And we saw this idea on Facebook. To make it cool faster, he is dipping it down into cold water.
You try to double dip it.
He is piercing a hole through the shortening.
Long wooden skirt is actually the best, but I don't got any of them. We'll try to test this and might hit. Taste it. See how it's gonna do. I put a little too much wax on this end of it, but you gotta make it still for you. If you don't, you won't be able to get that in there. The reason I made the bigger wick because it makes bigger flame, puts off more heat.
So this is a good idea. Just when you're in a situation where you need some light and you need some heat, electricity's off or something, whatever your situation is. So we hope you enjoyed these videos, these 2 ideals for extra light and extra heat in a time of a need or a crisis.
And if you want to make it like a little stove, if you got some cans that might set just a little higher than this, make it all the way around it, then you take a cooker or something, sit on top of it.
Sit on top of the higher up can.
Yeah.
And then you can be able to cook something, scramble some eggs, or make some hot chocolate. That flame is pretty long too, coming off of that. Which, the longer the flame is, the more heat it'll give off.
I need it, don't you need it too? 'Cause I got you, and you got me too.